Nairobi city, with a population of 4 million people, is the capital of Kenya. On the southwestern end lies the Kibera slums, a settlement that's home for about 800,000 people. It is in the midst of the slum where the New Life Restoration Ministries International lies. New Life Restoration Ministries, as the name suggests, has restored some hope and dignity to many.
My name is Reverend Paul Mbithi, the founder and senior pastor of New Life Restoration Ministries International, based in the Kibera slums here in Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. We started the church or the ministry 11 years ago in the year 1997, and since then we have seen the Lord bring us quite a distance. A lot has happened. Souls have been changed. Many branches have started out of our ministry in Uganda, Tanzania, and in Kenya. In total, we're talking about 55 church branches out of this main branch here in Nairobi. We are involved with a lot of programs. First and foremost being the preaching of the gospel through crusades, through holding Bible teaching seminars, and basically preparing the body, equipping the brethren to get into the villages, into the cities of this country, winning souls for Jesus.
Come into my life. Come into my life. Forgive me of my sins.
Despite many social challenges like an unclean environment, rampant poverty, a lack of clean and portable water, HIV and AIDS, prostitution and so many other vices, the New Life Restoration Ministry has risen to the challenges by providing a school, an orphanage, a water purification system, empowerment to church members through entrepreneurship, apprenticeship and many more.
My name is Grace Mbithi. Working in New Life Restoration Ministries International at Nairobi in Kibera slums. I work as a project coordinator. I also serve side to side with my husband, Paul Mbithi, as a pastor. So I also do pastoral duties. Besides that, in project coordinating, we have started, in the year 2000 we started a school and an orphanage, and the school has grown. It started with 70 kids and now we have 280 kids.
The school runs on a lot of sacrifice from the teachers and administrators. The teachers have to do with low pay and work long hours, thus giving every child special attention.
Also, the orphanage has grown from 4 boys to 10 boys.
And so far, we have seen the hand of the Lord, because the boys that we brought in some years back, they have grown up, they have got rehabilitated, some of whom we caught right from the dump, eating from the dustbins. Now they are good boys, well-dressed and well-behaved, going to school. And one of the boys is the one that plays keyboard in our church, which means growth has taken place.
We also have kids who are staying with their guardians or relatives, and we support them through education and some other basic needs. So the need here in Africa is great because AIDS has claimed so many lives. So many children have been left without parents, and they need somebody to take care of them. We need any support. The children need education, medication, food, clothing, all the basic needs. So any help is welcome.
The school provides breakfast and lunch for the pupils. This gesture acts as a stopgap that helps in learning, as most of the families cannot afford a square meal due to the fact that most of them live below the poverty line.